ng costing namin. But we are, the short answer, ma'am, is we are open always to audit and investigate.
Napakaraming reklamo, no? Patulong na lang sagutin ng ating mga
Yes, ma'am.
OFW. Kasi nga, sabi nila, wala pa sa 60,000 pesos yung ticket dati, bakit naging 190? Wag naman daw ganon. Parang labis-labis. Marami pang magtatanong. May isa na lang huling hirit ako kay Secretary Garin. Alam natin, ang lead agency ng department ng krisis na ito, ang inaasahan na tutulong at tututok sa krisis ng langis ay ang Department of Energy. Tama po ba? Pati yung attached agencies, they're supposed to take the lead in handling the energy crisis as we understand it today, including ERC, NAPOCOR, lahat ng narito, higit sa lahat PNOC with legendary reserves kung saan man sila. And this is stated in your mandate. And the President also wrote that, in fact, there would be a cutting back in government agencies to 4 days. However, I am in possession of Department Order DO 2026-03-0006, under which the department, through the order of the Secretary, has adopted only 2 days of on-site work per week, with only 50% of DOE officials and employees reporting. And the rest is all work from home. In comparison to Memo Circular 114, they were mandated for a 4-day on-site work arrangements. Our private companies, in order to make a living and to stay above water, have chosen to stay on site 5 days. Hindi sila nagbabawas. Only a few companies like Del Monte and Aboitiz, nagbawas nga Monday naman to Thursday. Ang DOE, 2 days lang. Tama ba yun? Parang wala kayong urgency sa katawan, ayos lang. Can you please explain the rationale for this madness at nagagalit ang tao? 2 araw lang kayo magtatrabaho sa harap ng krisis?
Mr. Chair, work from home doesn't mean that we don't work, ma'am. We work every day. We meet every day, even in weekends. We haven't stopped actually for 8 weeks already.
Yan kasi
Hindi po-
sinabi ninyo kanina na yung i-accelerate yung approvals. Ang daming nagre-reklamo. Wala daw silang mahagilap sa DOE, PNOC for the approvals of contracts, for the approvals of different projects. Walang tao. 2 araw lang. Di nila alam kung sinong papasok, sinong hindi. Doon pa sa 2 araw, kalahati lang daw papasok. 50% daw yung memo ninyo. Bakit ganun? Kayo inaasahan. Namamatay na yung tao ng gutom, hindi na makapaghanap buhay. Wala nang ani, wala nang pagkain. At ang DOE ay nagbabakasyon. Tama ba yun?
Mr. Chair, hindi po nagbabakasyon ng DOE. I mean, we work from 8 up to 8 in the evening, doing meetings and doing everything that we can do just to keep our country sufficient in supply and monitor the prices. All of them are working even harder now than we kahit ano.
Dapat lang po, dapat lang. But how does DOE manage the crisis if half of its personnel is away? Kahit i-zoom mo pa yan nakatakot-takot, kung nangangalahati lang at 2 araw lang, yan lang talaga maaasahan. Anong klase yan? Lahat ng gobyerno, 4 na araw. Ang sabi ng Pangulo, 4 na araw. Ang private company, wala ngang tapang na magsara kahit 1 araw sa nervyos dahil ang sama ng kalagayan natin. Bakit kayo 2 days?